Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious avocado hummus using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 15-ounce can of chickpeas, 2 ripe avocados, and 2 tablespoons of tahini. Also, grab 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 1 clove of garlic, and a little olive oil. Having everything ready makes the process super smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's start blending our hummus base. Begin by draining and rinsing your 15-ounce can of chickpeas really well. This helps remove excess sodium and improves texture. Next, add the rinsed chickpeas, 2 tablespoons of tahini, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and your garlic clove into a food processor. Blend these ingredients until they form a relatively smooth paste, adding 1 or 2 tablespoons of water if it's too thick. It's time for the star ingredient, the avocado. Carefully scoop the creamy flesh from your 2 ripe avocados and add it to the food processor with your chickpea mixture. Now, drizzle in 2 tablespoons of good quality olive oil and a half teaspoon of salt. Process everything together until the hummus is wonderfully creamy and completely smooth. Scrape down the sides as needed to ensure everything is incorporated. Your delicious, homemade avocado hummus is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately with warm pita bread, crunchy crackers, or your favorite fresh vegetables. For any leftovers, simply transfer them to an airtight container and store in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. The flavors will meld beautifully. Also, be sure to check the description below for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.